What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel once again after such a long time. And right now I'm in this beautiful campsite in Jowai. We're about to explore a new waterfall in Jowai. So it's 1 in the afternoon and today it's 7th of August. And we have reached just now from Guwahati. We have started our journey at around 8 in the morning. So we'll explore the falls, and these are the guys who have joined me this time. Mr. Jumbo, aka Ali. Priyajit.
Hi.
That's short. Navodip. Hey bro, what's your name? It's Kembua. Bye bye.
Hey.
Bro, how far it is from here? 20 minutes. 20 minutes of walk. From the top, and we are going down. Here's our brother. He's guiding us. He's guiding us from the campsite.
Hey, जगह तो next.
Pasina pasina, halat tight.
Oh, मत बोलो. अरे Jowai.
Still have a long way to go. Priyajit bhai, kaisa? There's literally no one in here, only us. We 5 of us. People, Nobo and me, and a guide in there. He's laying down somewhere where he is. There. And here's the fall. So we came from there, from the top, this way. Let's go. Which one then? heading back to our campsite and we gotta pitch our tent. And dangerous trek to the waterfall, I can say, and one last time. Huh? 1 kilometer of steep up, and here we are. Chal. Here's the top view. We are almost there, guys. बेसी दूर नहीं यार. You guys see this? I don't know. I forgot its English name, by the way. It's there all the way. Look at it. So if you guys come, I don't recommend to come wearing half sleeves or shorts in here. खुजली से मारोगे आप सब. ये देखो, तो इसने पोटी किया शायद. ये देखिए.
The situation right now. अबे पानी में पूरा भीग गया बे. कैमरा अकेला डाल के भागना पड़ रहा है. ओह क्या
So guys, it's the next day and we have already left from our campsite and we are here at the beautiful place out here. We have done some photo shoot. We have decided to go via Dauki to Guwahati. So we'll explore today.